Hi, we are Team Reptech25 and our ICE CityZen proposal is an elevated solar farm on this field behind me.
Here we have the iconic Willington Bridge that connects our village and school Repton to Willington and spans over the River Trent. However, this river often floods throughout the year.
This makes the fields behind us unusable for normal agriculture for large parts of the year. Therefore, with our proposal of elevated solar panels, we would be able to produce green energy whilst ensuring that these fields always remain profitable while still allowing cattle to graze beneath them.
Right guys, let's go over there.
Now we are in the fields, and as we know from the game, ground investigations are always a big part when it comes to ensuring that the project is suitable.
The ground beneath these fields is composed mostly of alluvium, meaning that it's made of soft clay and other organic materials. This would typically make building foundations hard. However, there is a way around this.
Screw piles are extremely versatile and have been used on solar projects before. During installation, the material is able to penetrate the ground whilst the torque is carefully monitored.
So, before beginning our project, a desktop study will be required, as well as an ecological survey to help develop our design in a safe and sustainable way.
Whilst researching the specifications for our project, we learnt that tempered glass panels and corrosion-resistant frames would be ideal to withstand the harsh weather conditions, therefore extending the lifespan of our project.
Spacing these rows of solar panels 5 to 7 meters apart would prevent overcrowding amongst the cows, as well as allowing them to continue grazing.
Also, for maximum efficiency and energy output, the panels would need to face south and be angled at between 15 to 30 degrees, ensuring the biggest possible benefits for the local community.
Bearing this spacing in mind, a 10-acre site would now meet a large proportion of the energy demand of households in Repton.
Thinking about the stakeholders within our project, we've met up with a local resident of the Willington-Repton area. So how long have you lived in the area?
I've lived in the area for about 12 years and we use the bridge on a daily basis. I think solar panels in the field is a really good idea because the fields would then be used as a multi-purpose venture. As you are aware, the economic climate means that our energy bills and our household bills are constantly rising. So if we can lower the cost of living for the village, for the community, it can only be a positive thing.
We firmly believe that our civil engineering project is a brilliant opportunity to make the most of our local environment, and that these elevated solar panels will provide cheaper, greener energy for the local community while still conserving the chance to use the fields for agriculture.